Aloha, my name is Amai Genovia and I am on the campus of Kamehameha Schools Maui, where parents, students, and staff are participating in a design thinking workshop to make a change in their school.
Solution, does this work? But instead, when you are generating a lot of ideas, it's part in the entire process because we rarely do it. It's like.
But I want you to think about it. So here's a trick.
I think that the conference is necessary because a lot of problems have arisen lately amongst the students, and this sort of conference gives us a chance to voice these opinions and get solutions.
Notice what we do as we do this brainstorm. Okay? So the question is.
Second part of the conference is about, or the workshop, the focus is on making sure that we develop some new radical ideas around redesigning the school experience and to create more engagement in the student community.
Teacher and learner.
So what we're really hoping is that we can get ideas from all of our stakeholders on what school can be for them, and hopefully looking at taking all of these ideas and moving into a next phase of creating a vision and a branding tool for Kamehameha Schools Maui, but really looking at what school can be and really hoping that our students can share with us ideas of what a meaningful school experience would be for them. So I think it's always fun when you give students an opportunity to come to the table and have their voices be heard.
So we actually went through the process ourselves, like as if we were the students looking at a problem, and we went through all the steps as the workshop leader guided us through the different parts, and we had to identify, after like a lot of discussion, we identified a certain thing that we felt was valuable. For our group personally, we came up with a student center that would be like, if we could really do it, would be so amazing for our school. I thought, I had gone to the Saturday workshop as well on design thinking, and then went through this process. And the second time around, it like clicked for me a little bit better, so much that I actually tried it with my class.
But we don't know what the outcomes are going to be. But we are very confident in the process, that the process, if we follow it, will generate lots of really interesting ideas and ideas that we can test. But we never know what the outcomes will be. But we're all very confident that if we take people through this process, they'll come up with new ideas and hopefully inspire themselves. Ultimately, it's not us inspiring people, it's they, by using the process, they'll inspire themselves.